A step-by-step guide on how to use the Nationwide card reader. First, you want to check the batteries. Make sure your card reader has batteries inside. It takes this model. If the screen is blank, you will need to replace the batteries. Insert your card. You want to slide your Nationwide debit card into the top slot. The chip should face up and go in first. Next, you will choose the function. You want to press the correct button depending on what you need. Identify for logging in, sign for setting up payments, and respond for additional security steps. Next, you will enter your PIN, type in your 4-digit card PIN using the keypad, and press OK when done. You will get the code. The reader will display a one-time security code. You need to enter this code into the Nationwide website or app to continue, and you will be done. Your action is now completed, confirmed, and you're good to go. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.